Okay, today we are diving into literally the most pressing conversation happening among tech leaders right now. Everywhere you look, right, organizations are just scrambling to figure out their AI strategy, especially when it comes to autonomous tools. But man, amidst all that buzz, there is so much confusion. So we're going to cut right through the noise. We're going to look at the actual strategic blueprint for enterprise AI agents, breaking down exactly how they work and how they can totally transform your organization today. So let's just jump right in. Over the past year or so, there's this single question that comes up in practically every conversation I have with colleagues and tech leaders. What kind of AI agent should we build? And look, the excitement around generative AI is absolutely massive, for sure. It feels like every single company on Earth wants to build an AI agent. But here's the reality. Most teams are completely stuck on where to even start. They're just paralyzed by the sheer number of options and this intense pressure to innovate. And honestly, the answer to that massive question really boils down to one core philosophy. Don't build an AI agent just because AI is popular. Build an AI agent because people are wasting time solving the same problem again and again. That's it. We absolutely have to shift our focus away from the flashy buzzwords. If we want real, tangible results, we have to ground our entire strategy in solving practical, everyday pain points that are just dragging down our productivity. So let's look at Section 1, the information hide and seek, the daily grind of enterprise support. Let's picture the relatable, daily reality for your typical enterprise support team. Imagine a company with thousands of employees using internal apps. The support team is getting hammered with these exact same questions constantly. Why can't I access the application? Why is this screen showing an error? Why is my request stuck in approval? Which team owns this? What's the process for resetting permissions? Right? They're basically acting as human routers for the same 5 questions. It's a massive, repetitive, and honestly deeply frustrating drain on their time and energy. I mean, we've all felt the misery of answering that exact same password reset question for the 1,000th time. Now, we often think our problem is missing information, but the real truth, most of the answers to these questions already exist. They're just buried. They're hidden in old support tickets, scattered across technical docs, lost in email chains, or buried deep in some random Microsoft Teams conversation or knowledge base. So the problem isn't that the info is missing. The real bottleneck is simply finding that existing information quickly. Which brings us to Section 2, the 24/7 AI engineer. Instant answers, 0 tickets. Imagine having an AI support agent that acts exactly like your absolute most experienced, knowledgeable team member, except this team member literally never sleeps, never takes a coffee break, and has instant recall of every single document in your company. Let's say an employee is just going about their day, they open up Microsoft Teams, and casually ask a super common access question. Why am I getting an access denied error in the sales portal application? Normally, right, this means submitting a ticket, waiting for someone in a totally different time zone to wake up, and dealing with a super long chain of back and forth emails. But with our AI engineer, the response is instantaneous. Literally within seconds, the AI agent executes a bunch of steps. Step 1, it identifies the possible root cause. Step 2, it actively checks if the employee belongs to the correct security group. Step 3, it provides the exact instructions and links needed to request access. And Step 4, it cross-references system health just to see if there's an ongoing outage. All of this happens in seconds. I mean, compare that to the hours, or sometimes even days, a human team would spend manually checking those same systems across different time zones. No ticket creation, no waiting around, just instant answers. Moving on to Section 3, a team of specialized agents, orchestrating multiple experts. Now we really need to deconstruct a huge myth here. You do not need to build one giant monolithic AI assistant that does absolutely everything. Please don't do that. Instead, organizations should be creating multiple specialized agents. Think about it like a real team. You've got an application agent handling login issues and access requests. You've got a knowledge agent digging through documentation, FAQs, and architecture diagrams. An incident agent keeping an eye on system health and known outages. And a process agent guiding people through approval workflows and onboarding. The magic that makes this all work is an orchestration layer. When an employee asks a question, this orchestration layer seamlessly routes the query to the right specialized agents, grabs their specific insights, and combines them into one simple unified answer. To the employee on the front end, it feels exactly like talking to a single genius who just knows everything.
All right, Section 4. You already have the data, unlocking trapped enterprise knowledge.
This right here is probably one of the biggest surprises for organizations right now. You do not need to invent new data to make this strategy work. The exact fuel you need to power these AI agents has literally been sitting inside your company for years. We're talking about SharePoint, Confluence, ServiceNow, Microsoft Teams, years of emails and support tickets, wiki pages, you name it. For years, companies have been generating all of this incredibly valuable knowledge, but completely struggling to make it actually accessible to the people who need it. AI agents change that whole game. They unlock this trapped knowledge without you having to go and build some massive new database from scratch. Let's look at Section 5, the real ROI and future, beyond just reducing headcount. When we look at how this fundamentally changes the workplace, it is so absolutely crucial to clarify that the ultimate goal here is not simply replacing humans. No way. The real value is so much bigger than that. What we're talking about is drastically faster issue resolution, which means way fewer interruptions for your highly paid developers. It results in a vastly better employee experience because people aren't waiting days for simple answers. It significantly reduces your support backlog and gives you global 24/7 assistance. By stopping this endless cycle of answering the same question 50 times, you actually free up your human support teams to focus on solving the new, highly complex problems that require actual human ingenuity. And once you really grasp this blueprint, you realize this strategy scales way, way beyond just IT support. Opportunities appear literally everywhere across the enterprise. Just think about it: an HR policy agent, a procurement agent, finance, legal compliance, sales operations, or even a software development agent. Seriously, any department dealing with repetitive questions has a massive, immediate AI agent opportunity just waiting to be built. Because at the end of the day, we are moving from searching to asking. Think about the painful old way of doing things: searching for information by opening up 5 different systems, skimming through 10 long documents, just hoping and praying you find the right paragraph. Contrast that with the seamless new way: simply asking, "How do I solve this problem?" and getting an instant synthesized answer. In the very near future, employees won't search anymore. They're just going to ask. So, I want to leave you with this final, kind of provocative thought. The next time you sit down with your team to discuss your AI strategy, skip the buzzwords. Don't start out by debating large language models or vector databases. Instead, I want you to look really closely at your own daily operations and ask yourself this one simple question. What question does your team answer every single day? Because somewhere hidden inside that frustrating, super repetitive question is your perfect AI advantage. Find it, and you'll completely change the way your organization works. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I highly encourage you to start looking for those repetitive questions today.